Looking for the best coffee makers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Breville Grind Control Coffee Maker. The Breville Grind Control Coffee Maker is perfect for anyone who loves coffee and wants full control over how it tastes. It comes with a built-in adjustable grinder, so you can choose the exact grind size and strength that matches your favorite coffee beans. Its steep and release technology helps extract all the rich flavors and essential oils, whether you're brewing into a thermal carafe, a travel mug, or just a single cup. You can also use the programmable auto start feature to wake up every morning to freshly brewed coffee, made just the way you like it. The clear LCD display makes it easy to change your settings and get consistent results every time. With 8 strength options and the ability to use pre-ground coffee, this machine works well for both casual coffee drinkers and true coffee experts. The large 60-ounce water tank lets you brew up to 12 cups at once, and the thermal carafe keeps your coffee hot for hours. Its stainless steel design looks modern and stylish in any kitchen, and the included gold tone filter helps reduce waste while improving flavor. Whether you prefer a strong, bold cup or a smooth, mild blend, the Breville Grind Control makes it easy to enjoy barista-level coffee at home. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best coffee makers with built-in grinders to upgrade your morning routine. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video, check the links in the description below. Number 2. Miele CM5310 Silence Automatic Coffee Maker. The Miele CM5310 Silence Automatic Coffee Maker is perfect for those who appreciate both quality and convenience. Its quiet, wear-resistant steel grinder preserves the rich aroma of your coffee beans while the dynamic brewing system ensures a deep, flavorful extraction. With just one touch, you can brew anything from espresso to a creamy latte macchiato, and thanks to the One Touch for 2 feature, you can prepare 2 drinks simultaneously. Whether you need a quick cup in the morning or a full pot for guests, this machine's coffee pot function allows you to brew up to 8 cups at once. Cleaning and maintenance are a breeze with the Comfort Clean system. Many of the components are dishwasher safe, and the milk pipework is automatically cleaned after every use. This means you can enjoy high-end coffee without the hassle of extensive cleanup. The sleek design and intuitive controls make it a standout addition to any kitchen, while its quiet operation ensures a peaceful brewing experience. If you're looking for a high-performance machine that balances convenience with gourmet results, the Miele CM5310 is an excellent choice. Number 3. DeLonghi La Specialista Prestigio. The DeLonghi La Specialista Prestigio is designed for coffee lovers who crave precision and control. Its integrated burr grinder uses 2 sensors to ensure consistent grinding and the perfect coffee dose every time. The smart tamping station makes tamping effortless and mess-free, giving you a barista-level experience at home. With dynamic pre-infusion, coffee grounds are evenly saturated before extraction, delivering a rich, well-balanced shot of espresso. Whether you're pulling a single or double shot, this machine ensures optimal flavor with every cup. One of its standout features is the active temperature control, which maintains precise heat stability for consistent espresso extraction. The machine powers on and starts grinding instantly, so you can get your coffee fix without waiting. If you love experimenting with different brewing techniques, the single-wall filter baskets provide even more customization. Whether you're a beginner or an aspiring home barista, the La Specialista Prestigio makes it easy to craft high-quality espresso drinks with minimal effort. Number 4. Breville Barista Pro. The Breville Barista Pro takes your home coffee experience to a professional level with its intuitive design and high-speed performance. The integrated conical burr grinder delivers the perfect coffee dose on demand, while the innovative thermojet heating system reaches the optimal extraction temperature in just 3 seconds. This means you can go from beans to a perfectly brewed espresso in under a minute. The machine's low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure to extract rich, balanced flavors, ensuring cafe-quality results with every shot. For milk-based drinks, the manual steam wand allows you to texture microfoam milk just like a barista, making it easy to create latte art at home. The LCD interface provides step-by-step guidance, displaying grinding and extraction progress to help you get the perfect brew. With its sleek stainless steel design, powerful performance, and intuitive controls, the Breville Barista Pro is ideal for coffee enthusiasts who want precision and speed without compromising on flavor. Number 5. Cuisinart Grind. Brew single-serve coffee maker. For those who love fresh coffee but prefer the convenience of single-serve brewing, the Cuisinart single-serve coffee maker with grinder is a fantastic choice. This machine lets you grind whole beans directly into a reusable filter cup, delivering a fresher, more flavorful brew than traditional pod-based machines. It's also compatible with K-Cup pods, giving you the flexibility to switch between fresh grounds and pre-packaged options. With 3 brew size options 8, 10, or 12 ounces, you can customize your cup to your liking, whether you prefer a quick shot of espresso or a full travel mug. The 48-ounce removable water reservoir makes refilling easy, and the charcoal water filter ensures pure, great-tasting coffee every time. The machine's compact design saves counter space, while the removable drip tray accommodates larger cups and travel mugs. If you want a single-serve machine that doesn't sacrifice freshness or flavor, the Cuisinart Single-Serve Coffee Maker Plus Grinder is a perfect addition to your kitchen.